First of all, I would like to thank DigitalOcean for sending me this t-shirt because I was participating in Hacktoberfest. Thank you so much for all these like really cute stickers. Let's talk about Java. Java is a really classic and old fancy way of coding. You can imagine Java as the Shakespeare language of English. I'm not saying that you shouldn't be learning Java, I'm just saying that would be a little bit challenged. Python is a little bit easier to learn, and also it's a little bit faster for you to start building things. If you are not sure which languages to learn, just to pick one. But if you are not sure which way that you want it to go, either you want it to be a data scientist or a backend developer, if you're not sure about that, I would say it's not a bad idea to learn Python just because you have more options. If you're already in college and you're learning Java, I would say keep going with it. If you know so much about Java, it's so much easier for you to pick up other languages because you already learned the hardest. It's gonna be so much easier to learn the rest of the other languages. For real, yes.